Begin cleaning. This is the HOBOT Legee D8, a robotic 4-in-1 vacuum and mop cleaning system that Solenco sells here in the UK. Cleans with the front suction, sweeps with deep cleaning brush rolls, sprays water and mops simultaneously. Enough said, surely. Well, Summer had a challenge for the D8 which I'll share later on. But let's talk about the design. With a D-shaped design, it can get up close against the room's edges to find its way around and delve deep into the corners or under cabinets, chairs, using its 4cm tilted side brush that helps capture unwanted dust and hair. It offers a small and compact design with its length only 344, its width 343 and its height of 97.5mm makes it ideal for any size home or suitable for those who may not be able to clean every day. Using its own Legee SLAM smart navigation allows for advanced LDS, LiDAR and SLAM technology for precise mopping and efficient cleaning, with an added fixed distance sensor array to detect small objects ahead or along walls. These sensors, as well as a soft rubber bumper along the edge, which can be used to map, identify objects and change course without damaging any surface or object. Plus, it has 2 pairs of cliff sensors at the front and the back, which prevents falls, with the ability to store maps for different levels of your home. With a combination of all of these sensors, it allows the D8 to cruise and clean efficiently around your home. By popping the flap on the top, we can see what's inside. To the left, you're going to find your power button. Your water tank with a capacity of 320ml is over to the right. Fill it with your cleaning solution to allow the Legee D8 to mop up the messes that appear in your busy home. Utilising a mopping pad that strokes over 8mm and moving up to 1,300 times a minute with a force of 800 grams will leave your floors spotless. Removing the mopping pad is easy as it's only attached by Velcro, which means it can be cleaned and reused. You need not worry about your carpets as the Legee D8 will lift the mop up to 7mm when it's on them. When it returns to its charging dock, it actually lifts the mop above the floor so it's able to dry quickly. In the middle you have its Eco Compactor, which acts like a mini rubbish lorry, automatically minimising the rubbish to save up to 5 times the capacity with a built-in compactor, leaving you not having to empty it as often or messing around with bags. Or go extra with an accessory that is sold separately. With the compatible Legee LuLu, you are expanding the capabilities of your Legee D8. With its water tank, you can refill the onboard water tank, recharge the battery, and clean and dry your mopping pad all in one. Using a computer numerical control, the brushes move horizontal whilst the D8 moves vertically. This allows your mop to be cleaned thoroughly, which means it lasts for longer. There will be no messy sediment and no wastewater sediment, as it will fall down and be pushed out of the way into the remaining tank to be collected, meaning there'll be no blockage, no clogging. The dual roller brushes roll at high speed and inward to scrape down the dirt efficiently, and with the 2-motor design, this allows the Legee LuLu to move across the mopping pad to remove all of the dirt and clean every inch of your mop. The heated air blows through the specially designed wind tunnels. This allows your damp cloth to be dried quickly and efficiently. With the combination of the D8 Eco Compactor and the LuLu service station, this means your D8 can be left for a good while without any human interaction. So if you maybe go away, you can set a routine, come back, and then you can deal with it afterwards. Or if you have a busy home, you could just set it to work and then go and change maybe once a week, or depending on your cleaning routine, this may be even longer. With the D8, you have the ability to deliver 5,000 pascals worth of power, powered by the Nidec 22N-1 brushless DC motor, and mixed with a tangless suction technology, hair can be picked up ahead of the brush rolls, avoiding getting tangled in the main brush, which is really important as we have so much hair thanks to my lovely bundle of joy. She likes to give the Legee D8 even more to think about as she creates her own obstacle course for it to maneuver around. It isn't fussed though, it will navigate its way around Summer and its toys, and then actually will give Summer a gentle nudge just to remind her who's in control. With all of this power, you need a battery, and thanks to a lithium-ion 4,900 mAh battery, it can clean and mop your way around your home in a single charge easily. It will also find its way back home to recharge, and there's an LED indicator light on top that will identify when it needs charging and goes green when it's completely charged. Also, within the app, it shows you the battery level. So when it is time to actually clean your HOBOT Legee D8, it's a breeze as your filter, your mop, your tank and other parts of the cleaning system are able to be detached and you're able to clean them. You can buy new filters and mop pads, which I'll link in the video description. So your main control center is the Legee app, which is available from the Google Play or iOS App Store. Pairing with your home Wi-Fi or even using a hotspot and being able to switch between 3 SSIDs means that it can be taken to different homes. Packed with features to manage your HOBOT Legee D8, allowing you to customize functions and the opportunity for you to plan an ideal cleaning routine. When you first begin, it will ask you to do a quick mapping. This allows the D8 to learn the new home or store multiple maps for multi-story homes. You have real-time mapping and full map positioning to know where your D8 is at all times. All mapping data for the D8 is stored on the device rather than in the cloud. I'm able to assign virtual barriers, so this could be a doorway. Obviously stairs would be seen by the cliff edge sensors, but this could be then avoid curtain zones on your maps, and you can give voice prompts as I did at the very beginning with Siri or Google. When you don't want to be disturbed, either when the family is round or I'm playing with Summer, you have the do not disturb option as well as a child lock. So you'll notice the 4 buttons that's on the D8. So one of them is where you can set your modes and there's different options to go through. You have your play, your pause. You also then have your option to send it to go back home to its docking station, and also you have its stop option, but if you press and hold this for 3 seconds you have a child lock. With the app you can choose the cleaning modes as well as selecting them on the D8. You can choose between standard mode, power suction mode, eco mode, deep cleaning mode, customization, so you can choose and select which options you want, dry mode, stain mode, tangless mode. There's a range of different options there and I'm sure you'll find one that best suits your cleaning routine. There is a lot of details to take in there, just as much detail as the Legee D8 will cover by vacuuming and mopping its way around your home. If you want even more details, check out the links in the video description to Solenco to learn more about the HOBOT Legee D8, which costs £599, and its impressive accessory, the Legee LuLu, which costs £299. Or check out their Amazon UK link in the video description. All that's left to say is thanks for watching. It's time for the Legee D8 to go home and relax. Until the next time I or Summer make even more mess.